In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix could not find the recovery environment error when trying to reset your PC. Open the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command, which is reagent-c/enable, and press Enter. You should see a message saying Operation Successful. Now, try to reset your PC again. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Recovery, reset this PC, and see if the error persists. If enabling the recovery environment didn't resolve the issue, you'll need a USB flash drive. Search for Create a Recovery Drive in the Start menu and run it as an administrator. And follow the on-screen instructions to create a recovery drive. This process will back up necessary files to the USB drive. After creating the recovery drive, you can proceed with resetting your PC using the recovery drive to fix any issues preventing a reset directly from the system. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.